Greetings to all of you ladies and gentlemen, parents, boys and girls. My name is Dianisha Setiawan, Managing Director of Sekolah Lentera Indonesia. Throughout my 17 years of being an SLI, one of my greatest delights is to meet new parents and students as I value the opportunity to get to know you and the priorities as you look for the right schools for your children. As parents, there's no doubt that we want to provide the best educational experience for our loved ones. We look for schools with qualified teachers, balanced curriculum, supportive community, and well-equipped facilities. With so many choices out there, how do we select a school that can develop our child to the fullest? Today, let me take you on a journey to share with you why SLI is unique and what distinguishes us from other schools. SLI's vision is lighting the way to a brighter future and a better world. As the school name Lentera means, we are nurturing global leaders that will pave the way to meet the growing needs of tomorrow's world with a deep understanding of knowledge. At SLI, students will discover the joy and purpose of learning through a series of meaningful interactions. Our slogan, Building Character and Academic Excellence, reflects that we do not only focus on the academic well-being, but more importantly, on the character development and moral of each child. Our school is not a perfect school, but we pride ourselves as a school that continually strives to improve. This is resonated in SLI's mission to serve, lead, and inspire. Serve. Before anyone blossoms to be a great leader, they must first learn how to have a servant's heart. Following the example of Jesus Christ, SLI students are frequently engaged in various character-building programs such as community service and charity initiatives, instilling a sense of responsibility towards others. Our students are guided to apply this experience and values in their daily lives, fostering personal growth and empathy towards others. This hands-on experience enables them to make a positive impact on their communities and the world. Lead. At SLI, we believe learning should go beyond the four walls of the classroom. We offer rigorous academic programs that emphasizes in critical thinking, creativity, and intellectual growth that will mold them to be global leaders. Students are challenged to excel academically while nurturing their spiritual and moral dimension. Inspire. Our experienced and nurturing educators are committed to instill the latest educational best practices to prepare our students for the 21st century world. Through the various experiential learning, such as active-based learning or application-based learning, here in SLI, learning becomes meaningful and enjoyable. Parents, I urge you, as you look for the right school for your loved ones, look beyond just the academics. Yes, it is undoubtedly important, but even more so, character and moral values play a greater role in your children's ability to succeed later on in life. At SLI, we believe every child is unique, and our responsibility as educator is to foster and cultivate their potential for a lifelong love of learning. Through our shared values in education and service, and by our example, we will inspire our students to lead, serve, and make a difference for a better world.
It's my privilege to offer you a very warm welcome to the vibrant community of Sekolah Lentera Indonesia. At SLI, we have a reputation for doing two things exceptionally well, providing academic excellence and character building. We have a strong history of our students leaving us with outstanding academic results, for being highly principled, and for having well-rounded characters. Our SLI alumni have a reputation for being people of integrity, determination, and having empathy. While I could tell you about the many excellent things about our school, I believe SLI can be summarized best with four key words: community, character, curriculum, and our creators. We know that choosing the right school community for your child and your family to grow up in is one of the most important decisions you are going to make. We believe our community at SLI is unique. It is warm, it is inviting, it is a well-connected community of people who care really deeply about each other. One big benefit of having a small school is that we know each other. With our small classes, our passionate educators, our students and our families know each other really well, meaning that we can tailor the learning to suit the needs of every child. Our community has a vibrant selection of events and learning experiences, which the children can engage in throughout the year. This allows everybody to shine in the areas where they excel, alongside having opportunities to develop new skills and passions. Just like you, we believe that the happiness and the success of your child are key foundations on which their future is built. Which is why we are a school which equally values character building and academic excellence. Both are important. At SLI, every child is important. Every child is valued. Every child matters. Every child is encouraged to do their very best, and every child has a chance to grow in confidence by participating in a wide range of inspirational learning experiences. Our wide range of character building opportunities includes some really unique programs, from the engagement of our student council, helping to shape our SLI community, to our character building camps for our middle school students, where our students get to lead each other. Our community is also fully involved in service learning opportunities, where our students decide how we can shine brightly as they serve their wider communities in powerful ways. We pride ourselves on being an extraordinary Christian community where people matter. Characters are developed, results count, and where there is a passion for excellence that drives everything we do. We follow the Cambridge curriculum pathway from elementary up to grade 12 as our main curriculum, although it's been personalised to suit our context in Indonesia. The next C is our curriculum. At SLI, our curriculum, while it's Cambridge, it's broad, it's balanced. It means our students get to engage and study a wide range of subjects, from elementary to middle to high school. As most of our students think and learn in English, it's no surprise that many of them consider themselves to be English first language learners, which is reflected in their choice at IGCSE, with most opting for English first language. But for a few students who join us later on, they're supported with their language development and they can still take IGCSE English second language. We're committed to offering a real breadth of education through our rigorous academic programs, character building and service learning. We feed our pupils' minds, but we also care passionately about their spiritual well-being, their character development, and definitely their happiness. Our last C, which I'm very happy to talk about, is our creators. These are our outstanding team of educators. They are passionate and dedicated to delivering a rich curriculum and program of events, activities, and learning experience which inspire and challenge our pupils to explore and question ideas and concepts for themselves. Whether they're engaged in active learning in the classroom, or musical, artistic, sporting, charitable activities, our pupils are encouraged to connect with communities and that they have a desire to be a light to others by serving, leading, and inspiring others with their actions. Our team of creators come from a variety of nationalities, with a number of them having varied international experiences across the globe. This enables us to draw on international best practices, and we can tailor these experiences to help our students in Jakarta grow and learn. Our intentional approach to creating a Christ-centered, harmonious community at SLI enables our students to develop according to our Eagle values, so that they can become empathetic, assertive, gritty, loyal people who achieve excellence in all areas of their lives. With these strong values, our students feel empowered to make a positive difference in the world. We warmly welcome you to come and be a part of our unique community, and we are sure that you'll feel part of our family soon. I invite you to learn more about us by visiting in person so you can see for yourself what makes SLI such a special place. After visiting, I'm sure you'll want to be part of our community, and we look forward to giving you a really warm welcome soon.